Lack of fresh water is becoming a global issue of increasing importance. What problems does the shortage of fresh water cause? What measures could be taken to overcome these problems? Model answer. The global scarcity of fresh water is emerging as a critical issue with far-reaching consequences, posing multifaceted challenges that necessitate immediate attention. This essay explores the problems arising from the shortage of fresh water and proposes measures to mitigate these issues. Firstly, the shortage of fresh water engenders severe ecological ramifications. Depleted water sources disrupt aquatic ecosystems, leading to the loss of biodiversity and habitat degradation. Aquatic species, including fish and other organisms, face the threat of extinction due to altered water flow patterns and reduced water levels. Moreover, ecosystems dependent on freshwater, such as wetlands and marshes, experience degradation, impacting their ability to provide essential services like water purification and flood control. Secondly, the shortage of fresh water poses significant threats to human populations. Insufficient access to clean water jeopardizes public health, leading to waterborne diseases like cholera and dysentery. In many regions, communities are forced to rely on contaminated water sources, exacerbating the risk of epidemics. Furthermore, water scarcity hampers agricultural productivity, contributing to food insecurity. As agriculture is a water-intensive activity, reduced water availability results in diminished crop yields, perpetuating the cycle of poverty and malnutrition. To address these challenges, several measures can be implemented. Investment in sustainable water management practices, such as rainwater harvesting and water recycling, can augment the available water supply. Additionally, the adoption of water-efficient technologies in agriculture and industry can optimize water usage. International collaboration is crucial, with countries sharing best practices and technologies to address water scarcity collectively. Furthermore, raising awareness about water conservation and implementing strict water use regulations can foster a culture of responsible water consumption. In conclusion, the shortage of fresh water poses interconnected challenges to ecosystems and human societies. Implementing sustainable water management practices, technological innovations, and international cooperation are vital steps in addressing the multifaceted problems associated with water scarcity.